Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about 4 warnings I have for you in regards to using garlic for healing. Now, as you all know, garlic in all its forms is absolutely amazing for healing. It's absolutely amazing for helping to promote sweating, for helping with the cardiovascular health, but every single herb and every single plant we talk about in this channel does have its own side effects, and that's whether we use it in the wrong way, in the wrong dose, we use it for prolonged amount of times, or we ourselves have some sort of health condition that doesn't work well with the herb or with the plant. So let's get started with the first warning for today. Is that, remember, garlic is warming, garlic is hot, garlic is very heating. A very heating food is not suitable for everyone, and in some people it can actually irritate the stomach. So if you have a very sensitive stomach, be mindful of using fresh garlic. Opt for a capsule, an odor-free capsule instead. It does work best, and it won't harm your stomach that way if you do have irritation in the stomach already. Another way is that you can use garlic in food, whether that's fresh, whether that's kind of cooked. But if you want to use garlic for therapeutic purposes, to help with therapy, to help with kind of healing the body, as in, you would actually need to be very, very careful, because it's best not to use garlic during pregnancy and lactation in large doses. So while you're in the lactation process or while you're pregnant, please avoid using garlic in large doses. Why? Because it can actually cause, first of all, digestive problems, it can cause heartburn, and the child also may not dislike garlic in the breast milk. So please be mindful of that. Another great way is that whatever it is that you're using, whatever herb you are using, be mindful of the dosages. If you're using it for therapeutic purposes, make sure you stay in contact with a holistic medical practitioner if you intend to be very correct in how you use garlic. So also, garlic is a very strong herb. It has strong aromatic compounds, and these compounds can be excreted via the skin and through the lungs as well. So what does that mean? When you eat fresh garlic or when you drink the juice, the smell and the aroma of garlic will kind of expose itself throughout the skin and the lung and the breast and all that kind of way. So one thing to eliminate the smell of garlic is eating fresh parsley, or fresh peppermint also works best. So be mindful